Friends, check it out. Today's list, the top 5 things to do when visiting Mostar in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Cool.
Cool. Maybe you're like us and you were looking online for things to do in and around Dubrovnik, and you came across Mostar, and now you're thinking, is it worth it?
Yeah, do it. Go. It's rich in culture, history. The landscape is beautiful. The architecture is magnificent.
The food is amazing.
We haven't sold it yet. I don't know what else we can do.
With that said, here are the 5 things you should do when visiting Mostar.
We're at Cafe de Alma, where you can get fantastic coffee prepared in a traditional Bosnian way.
The whole concept of sitting down with coffee is an invitation to conversation. We opened this place up so we can pretty much have people and listen to their stories after we tell them a little bit of ours.
This is one of the best coffees I've ever had.
There isn't another roaster in this town. I'm the only roaster. What's really Bosnian about it is the enjoying process. So about sitting down and having that time, owning that time.
Any trip to Mostar isn't complete without seeing... Commissioned by the Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent in the mid-16th century. It stood for 427 years. War broke out in the 90s. The bridge was destroyed. The bridge was then rebuilt, and it was reopened in 2004. Yes!
Along the banks of the river are huge boulders, and those boulders are actually pieces of the original bridge.
This architect knew that limestone was very porous, so they actually hollowed out 2 channels inside of the bridge, filled it with bauxite, knowing that bauxite would absorb rain evaporation from the river, and it would keep that bridge standing.
The bridge is also known for their fearless bridge jumpers.
For €25, they will take the plunge.
If you want to watch, you got to pay.
So we're standing in front of the Crooked Bridge. This is about a 3-minute walk from the old bridge. This bridge was constructed about 8 years before the old bridge was constructed. This is not the original. The original was swept away. Is that correct,
Yeah,
Jen?
swept away by a flood in 2000.
Yep, and rebuilt in 2001. People believe that this was kind of the prototype to the old bridge. It's cool. It's beautiful. See Crooked Bridge.
Check it out. There are 2 places that you should definitely check out. The first place was recommended to us by a local. It is called... Definitely get the sampler platter when you are there. It's a really good introduction to Bosnian food.
And the second restaurant.
I got a recommendation to come to this place, Tima from the Rick Steves book.
Rick Steves, the one and only.
Said it was some of the best grilled meat.
You said meats, and I was like...
This is some of the best food that we've had on this trip. When you're done eating, pop across the street to the art gallery.
When you're here, you definitely need to shop.
So we got our Christmas ornament. Got 2 pieces of art for the house, so I'm really, really excited. A lot of the shopping isn't that expensive, and the items in the stores will also be listed in 3 different types of currency: the Croatian kuna, the euro, and the Bosnian mark.
All right, that's today's list.
Leave your comments below, and remember, keep finding ways to travel smarter.